this. Yeah, I'm gonna use half the packet.
Everybody now, time to show the whole world what we're all about. Be the girls, be the passion, for passion.
Hey YouTube, what's up? Okay, so today I'm gonna be reviewing the Kodamu, the Kodamu wax machine. I got off Amazon. I can't show you because it's plugged in. But this is the brand's name. It came with all this that's in this bin. 4 bags of this pink wax. It came with an after wax treatment spray, a pre-wax treatment spray. It came with the nozzles, whatever these things are for the wax machine, and then it came with sticks. This is hard wax, so I don't have to use the strips. I'm gonna be giving myself Brazilian, so yeah. And I'm gonna do what the fuck I wanna do. So yeah, it comes with a little booklet. That's what I'm reading here. I'm scared. I'm not gonna hold you. I know I did pierce myself, but that's like a 3-second thing with a needle. This is me repeatedly putting hot wax on my skin and ripping hair out of my skin. Like, go ahead with that. Anyways, okay, let me just do it. Okay. We're gonna start off with that because I don't like to waste shit.
The wax is melting.
Oh, yay. Some of it's melted. It's not hot at all, so I'm gonna put that up a little more. I am nervous as shit. I am not gonna hold you. Making sure y'all is up. Ain't getting a freebie. No, no. That's not how we do it out here. Basically, you should do your lips first. Lips first. I'm shook it. Ooh, no, it's not that hot. It's not that hot. I know I am applying this wax wrong. And it's just making a mess. I feel it. I feel it. Oops. Okay, so what I did wrong was I didn't use the wax treatment. So we're gonna do that now to the opposite side that you know, I didn't put wax on. I'm 22, so I can do shit like this. Fuck it. I'm grown. Plus I ain't showing shit. And even if you was showing shit, that's your business. Ooh, yeah. That was hot. That was really hot. And I really can't believe I am really about to do this. A little scared. Ooh. Ooh. Never mind, it's still sticky. It's on there and I don't want to pull it. Ooh. Ooh. It's waxing! Okay. I like the smell is stinking. I'm scared. Okay, I can do this. Oh! That is painful. That's fuck. This is worse than a piercing. I should have done it in smaller sections. This is what I get for trying to rush through it. It's waxing so cutely though. It's waxing so cute. Ooh. I did it. Ew, you can see the little hair. The lips are the most painful part in my opinion. Ooh. I didn't leave that fucking lip so you could rip it off. Like a dummy. This shit is really making me fucking sweat. And I didn't fucking put baby powder on first. I kinda wanna get this over with so I can smoke and be done with it. And the wax definitely does work great, but it doesn't work as great if you don't pull the skin when you apply the wax. Whoa. Whew. Yeah. You have to pull the skin when you apply the wax. Or you're just gonna put it on your skin and just regret it like I am. You get Cupcake? Don't she sound so cute when she meow? Like she don't see me over here struggling, doing some extra ass shit. Ooh. Maybe I should put the wax hotter because I put the baby powder I put the pre-wax spray. It is waxing, it is, but it started off so much better than what it is now. I put the heat up a little hotter. I'm pulling the skin taunts. In between 195 and 210. So that's what I'm gonna leave it at for the rest of this. I'm tired of this right now. I'm real life tired. Just need to like go up and clean it up. I'm so proud of myself. Wow. What are you doing there? Okay. I just want to listen to Rodeo by City Girls. Oh, it's my first time doing this shit, but look at me. Look at me learning. This kid is fire. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this showed out. Period. Sis as in me and sis as in the machine. I am gonna have to pour more beads though. All the ones that I had. So I'm gonna do that right now. Light them out. So I can't complain. Ugh. Right. Oh, I was talking shit, but ooh, she looks fire. She's so soft. And I did it. I really did that. Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching.